Hi, I'm Charlie with Symetrix, and today we're going to demonstrate how to install the T-5 table mount bracket. So when you receive your T-5 table mount bracket, the rear cover will already be installed. So the first step is to remove the rear cover, as so. Set that aside. Now, using the wall plate that you'll receive with the T-5, you'll want to align it with the tabs facing you. The three holes aligned with these three holes, and the center of the cutout should be aligned as close as possible. Insert your 3 or 4 6/32 1/4 inch screws. So I've already gone ahead and marked and drilled the pilot holes for the 2 mounting screws and for the cable pass through using the supplied template that you'll receive in the quick start guide, and will also be available on Symetrix website as well as the composer help file. So next step, pass your Cat 5 cable through the pass through. Align the keyholes with the screws. And tighten the screws down. Notice the 2 tabs on the plastic bezel will align with the 2 mounting tabs on the wall plate. Position those tabs. Once the alignment is good, go ahead and snap the bezel on the bottom. Next, you'll go ahead and plug in your Cat 5 cable. Using the attached cable mount tie, we'll add some strain relief. To attach the rear cover, locate these 2 tabs on the opposite side of the countersunk holes. They will go into these slots on the base. Align the 2 countersunk holes with the mounting bracket and simply press the tabs into the slots. Using the last 2 of the 1/4 inch 6/32 screws, secure the rear cover. At this point, I'll show you how to remove the T-5 if it's ever necessary. First step is to remove the 2 screws that secure the rear cover. Grasp the rear cover at the bottom and give a slight pull. It'll come right off. Loosen the 2 mounting screws slightly. Locate this cutout in the bottom of the bezel. Using a flathead screwdriver, insert it between the bezel and the wall plate. Slight twist. The T-5 will come off. Thanks for watching. If you have any further questions, please visit our website at www.symetrix.co.